Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss how to simplify an Boolean expression with an example. Okay, so come to the Boolean expression. They have given a one Boolean expression and they are asking us, can we simplify it or not? If we can simplify, what is the final simplified expression? See, I will use some simplified technique. You can use any other one, and finally the answer should be same. Am I right or wrong? So how can I simplify this one? If you see that in each one we have a C as common. So I will take C common. And the remaining expression I can write it as A complement and B complement or B or A. Am I right or wrong? Now this one further I want to simplify it. How can I simplify? Let's take that I have A complement and B complement or B. Can I write this one as A complement or B and B or B complement? Can I write like this or not? Already I have discussed earlier, A, B or C can be written as A or C and B or C. That is what I have written here. So this expression can be written as C, okay, A complement or B, okay, B or B complement or A. This A we will have kept like that only. Okay. Now as you already know that B or B's complement, which is equal to what? 1. Am I right or wrong? So this can be written as A or B. This one will be and 1. And 1 means is equal to, suppose if you have A and 1 is equal to A. Am I right or wrong? So this total and with 1 or A, which is equal to this one. Am I right or wrong? Now if you take that A or A's complement is equal to what? 1. So this can be further written as 1 or B. Now 1 or B is equal to what? 1. Am I right or wrong? If you want to verify, you can verify. You take the B, can be 0 or 1. 1 is what? Always input is 1. So B or 1 is equal to what? 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 1 or 1 is equal to 1. What is the OR operation? If any one of the input is 1, you will get the output as 1. So this can be written as C and 1 is equal to C. So the simplified expression for this one is C. So I hope you have understood. You can do any other way, but the final answer you should get it as C. I hope you have understood how I solved this question. If you still have any doubts related to the question or any other concept related to this one, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.